Akitas are affectionate dogs that don't require much exercise, but they must be properly socialized when young to avoid aggressive behaviors in adulthood. This is one reason they should always be supervised around young children or those with little exposure to dogs. Because the Akita is often difficult to train, under-socialized Akita adults may become overprotective or aggressive toward other animals, children, and strangers. To overcome their protective instincts, Akitas will likely require additional extensive socialization and training.